Today I am at Yamuna Expressway. This is a 177-kilometer long stretch which connects Delhi to Agra, the international tourist destination. Yamuna Expressway has 6 lanes which are extendable to 8 lanes. This expressway is a hotspot of real estate activities. Hello and welcome to this locality that project. I am Shilpi Dudeja. Let's start our journey, and today we will take you through the plotted development on the both sides of the Yamuna Expressway. To understand the plot development on Yamuna Expressway, first we will guide you about the location. For Delhi commuters travelling from the Gautam Budh Murti is the entry point to the Yamuna Expressway. In this show, we will drive through Pari Chowk in Greater Noida to Jewar Airport, a distance of 32 km.
Yamuna Expressway is surrounded by major cities like Noida, Greater Noida, Faridabad, Khurja, Dadri, Aligarh, Mathura and Agra. This expressway was built by JP Group in 2012, and soon after many builders started buying land to construct high-rises and plotted development here. Most of the land along this expressway is still agricultural. The Yamuna Expressway Industrial Development Authority (YIDA) is the official agency to serve these areas. The major attraction on this stretch is the proposed Greenfield International Airport at Jewar, which is 69 km from Mahamaya flyover. It will be the third commercial airport in the NCR after IGI Airport and Hindon Airport. Jewar Airport will be operated by Zurich Airport International. The upcoming airport is expected to boost job opportunities and real estate demand in the area. The airport will be completed by 2022 to 2023 with 2 runways, and as per the proposed plan, it will handle 5 million passengers per annum initially. In future, it is proposed to extend to 100 million capacity with 6 to 8 runways. 5 greenfield townships are being planned in this area, which will be developed on the smart city concept. In the terms of distance, Jewar Airport is 72 km from Indira Gandhi International Airport, 60 km from Noida, 70 km from Faridabad and Ghaziabad, 48 km from Greater Noida, 36 km from Bulandshahr, 65 km from Aligarh and Gurgaon, and 130 km from Agra. It will give a new dimension to flyers of Noida, Greater Noida, Agra, Mathura and Vrindavan. The expressway will use advanced technology to provide safe and secure travel to commuters from Delhi, Agra and other adjoining cities of NCR.
जेवर 0 पॉइंट्स जो ग्रेटर नोएडा का 0 पॉइंट है, जहां से यमुना एक्सप्रेसवे शुरू होता है, वहां से 26.8 किलोमीटर पर जेवर अंतर्राष्ट्रीय एयरपोर्ट है और इसी एक्सप्रेसवे पर ही अवस्थित है। केवल 7 से 50 मीटर इसका एंट्री गेट है एक्सप्रेसवे से, और इस दौरान इसके दोनों तरफ जो है हमारे रेजिडेंशियल सेक्टर्स और इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर्स हैं। रेजिडेंशियल इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर ऑलरेडी रेजिडेंशियल सेक्टर जो है वो अलाटेड है लैंड वहाँ पर, और कुछ नई नई स्कीमें हम लोग बीच में लाते रहते हैं। अभी एक और स्कीम लाएंगे सेक्टर 22D में, जिसमें लोग सीधे अप्लाई करके प्लाट प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। इसके अलावा इंडस्ट्रियल बहुत बड़ा हब बन रहा है और 3 सेक्टर इंडस्ट्री के अलाटमेंट के लिए चल रहे हैं, सेक्टर 32, 33 और 29।
Yamuna Expressway is planned to be developed in phases. Let's talk about Metro Link, which is being constructed at a fast pace between Greater Noida to Jewar. 2 major development of metro lines to be expected to complete by 2023. There will be one exclusive airport express line with no stations between Knowledge Park 2 and Jewar Airport. The other would go through the rural, commercial and residential areas along the expressway.
Going forward, Yamuna Expressway will intersect many highways and will also be well connected to the Eastern Peripheral Expressway. Some major connecting points of this area which drive demands are Golden Quadrilateral, Ganga Expressway, RRTS, Delhi Meerut Regional Rapid Transit System, Upper Ganga Expressway, Dasna Meerut Expressway, North-South Corridor, Peripheral Ring Road Eastern and Western, Agra Kanpur Expressway. For rail connectivity, Delhi-Kolkata line via Aligarh, Mathura-Bareilly line via Hathras, Agra-Tundla links are the major links here.
जेवर एयरपोर्ट आने के बाद अब विकास जो है ग्रेटर नोएडा से जेवर की तरफ नहीं होगा, बल्कि उल्टा जो है जेवर से पहले जेवर की तरफ से बसना शुरू होगा और तब ग्रेटर नोएडा की तरफ लोग आएंगे। तो यह परिवर्तन होने जा रहा है और आगामी 3 साल के अंदर जब जेवर एयरपोर्ट जो आ जाएगा तो आप समझिए मिनिमम 7 फोल्ड ये इसमें ग्रोथ होगा। कम से कम इकॉनमी जो है 7 गुना बढ़ जाएगी, वो बदल जाएगी और जो प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं वो कम से कम 2.5 गुना आप समझिए कि इसमें ग्रोथ होगा, जो कि आजकल बाज़ार बहुत ख़राब है रियल इस्टेट का और बाकी जगहों का, तो उसको अगर ध्यान में रखें। लेकिन एयरपोर्ट आने के नाते हमारी मल्टीफोल्ड इकॉनमी काफ़ी तेज़ी से बढ़ेगी और ये अंतर्राष्ट्रीय देखा गया है कि वर्स्ट सिनेरियो में भी 4.5% इकॉनमी बढ़ती ही बढ़ती है।
Aligarh, Mathura, Agra, Hathras are the potential integrated industrial township under consideration for the development on this expressway. Few business and IT parks such as Stellar Business Park, NIIT Technology Campus, World Trade Center as well as upcoming Cosmic Corporate Park are located in the corridor. The Budh International Circuit is a popular attraction on this corridor which will increase demand for end users and investors. 2 functional universities are Gautam Budh University and Noida International University. JP Sports City spread over 2,500 acres has been developed here. The Taj Expressway is well connected with commercial areas in Greater Noida as well as offices along the Greater Noida Expressway. Noida Special Economic Zone and Noida Phase 2 NAEC Apparel Park clothing manufacturer is also present on this corridor. Land in the master plan is available under various land use: mixed, industrial, institutional and commercial. One can find residential, commercial, industrial and institutional plots on the whole expressway. Starting from sector 17A till Jewar, builders and authority are developing plots here. Agriculture land is also available on the Yamuna Expressway.
The existing power source in this region is NTPC, Dadri coal and gas supply, which is the power supply of this region. The Yamuna basin has 3 important rivers, Yamuna, Kali and Hindon, which contributes to the groundwater of this area. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment. You can follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Insta also. Thanks for watching this Locality That project.
Please subscribe to Magic Bricks on YouTube and click the bell icon to get new videos.